I'm back, baby. I'm back. Not you, stupid fooler. You freaking killed Dog Day. You cut his leg up. Now you made him to jump scare me. Okay. Yeah. I watched the YouTube. What's the way to your Poppy's angel. Parkour. You. Hold up. Shut up. I hate Dog Day. How? Whoa. Dog Day is kind of scary, not gonna lie. Yes, it do should be buried. Yes, they would nobody made you. Oh wait, I'm in the pro. I have prototyping.
Ang daming problema ng mga kasama niya sa Minoria. May mga kaso sa DOJ, may mga kasong sa ombudsman, may mga kasong nasa korte, may mga kasong nasa
Dang, I kinda reached that.
ethics committee. Ang daming problema ng kanyang mga kasama. May kaso sa ICC nagtataklo. Itong mga kasama ni Alan Cayetano ng mga senador kasama niya sa Minoria. Sari-sari yung kinakaharap ng mga kaso at problema. Dapat sana pinagtatanggol niya ni Cayetano dahil siyang pinuno nila eh. May political leader, pero nahilig si Cayetano. Bakit dati panagdaan ay bilang pinig?
Open.
Di ba dati?
I can't move! We need a purple hand for this one. Let me... Ha! Got him! Ha! Yeah, get karma, Dog Day. Get your money on the progress.
What they said?
You tried to kill me, okay? It's your fault.
Go! As far as you can! Okay?
I am just standing. I am just standing, bro. I am just standing.
Are you alright? You're not ouching your lost body parts?
Yeah. Bruh.
Hey,
Yeah.
did you see the shrine? Catnap made it for the prototype. See, before Catnap turned into Catnap, I guess there was some pretty serious damage.
Muna ako din. Muna ako
What they
eh.
say?
They say that the prototype saved his
Life.
giving up his own freedom in the process. In Catnap's side, the prototype is a superhero and has saved this place. Catnap treats him like a god, killing everyone that opposes him, us included, if we're not careful. That shrine, did it scare you? If you thought that was terrifying, just wait until you see the real thing. Anyways, we're really close to the end. I sent you a new key. You're going to the counselor's office instead.
Nuh-uh.
It's not ideal, but it should have enough juice. If you can get that generator going and plug it in, I think we'll be done. And keep your eyes open for Catnap. Every shadow, every flickering light is a hiding spot. He always stalks his prey first.
Give me.
He'll take away anything
Ano
you
yung
have
pa
to defend
kinatulog yung
yourself.
mama mo, be?
And when you're at your most vulnerable, he'll kill you. Catnap lives for the hunt.
Can you please shut up for the pun? I'm sorry, Ali. Miss Gracie, where are you? Wait, I need a battery. Can I have some? Can I have some boogie bites, please? How about insert a coin? I am now going to the counselor office because you know, Catnap always scares us.
Pasok pa sa'yo na yung ingatan, no? Ano si mama?
Where is this is luck?
Mangan ko.
Like,
Kuya, ate,
where am I supposed to get the battery then?
Yung white.
Oh, I'm dumb. Can you shut up, please?
The following message is for all Playtime Company employees. At 11:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, an unknown hostile force was declared present within the Playtime Company facility. Personnel are to begin enacting emergency evacuation protocols immediately. Leave all personal belongings. Do not engage with any hostile individuals. If no exit path is available, seek shelter in a hidden location. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and remain silent. Do not look through any windows. Do not open doors for any individuals. Do not make eye contact.
I didn't look properly here. Ticket. Canem is so fast. Nothing? Up, up, and win! Thank you. What is one of these things, bro? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
Kapag may taong pilit ang pinapabagsak at ikaw ay kanyang sinisiraan kahit walang katotohanan. Ganito, ang gawin mo, walang isang pulang sili at sa isang papiling sulat. Pamalat nito at ipasok sa sili.
What? Oh.
Subukan ng isang palat at ibaon sa lupa sa ganitong paraan ng tinig ko na ang bibig niya ang maging palag.
Oh. What's your homie? How are we gonna like? Yeah, how are we gonna do that? Oh, I know. Gosh darn it. I have to do this and then... Yeah, we do that then. We claim up here. Let's go! Now what? What? That was glitchy. I will need some tape. Oh, what are these freaking glowing containers, bro? mean? What you mean? Go up here. Warning was supposed to go here.
Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Hartman. Come on in. Please, have a seat. How was your ride down?
It was nothing like we were expecting.
So I watched on YouTube what to do, and it said I had to go over this door and then open this fan, grab the key, and then yeah. Give it here! Ah! What a funny voice. Ali, pick up the phone.
Okay, mangkupinggan. Ay, mag-focus ka muna tayo.
Developers, what are you doing? What do you think, bro? Developers, why the frick do you have this bug right now? I literally cannot get to the vents. I cannot jump. Be so bad. Be so bad. I got you. And I got stuck.
Slowly. I just can't stop laughing because of my dad. I love my dad so much. Go down here. What the? Veteriano. What? Am I supposed to shoot this? Why can't this work? Like what? Oh. Because this thing had no power. Now what? That opened that? In the hour joy, Only our joy, in our joy. Only our joy, only our joy, only our joy. Oh. Huh? Still have my gas mask. I already opened this. Oh wait.
Me.
That's what I was supposed to do.
Mamaya. Sabi mo po tapos lagyan mo na ako ng tubig. Hindi mo na ako pantay mo ganyan. Kaya? Mamaya na siya.
What do you mean?
Saan? Sa ketchup.
What do you mean?
Kakain.
What you mean?
Ang pagkain. Birthday niya na yun eh. Open naman sa lahat yun. Kasama yung anak niya naman. Dali na ko. Hindi naman ako hindi ako lagpas ako maglagay.
What you mean?
Hindi ko kaya yun. Lagyan mo lang. Tapakpan lang yun.
This Obama.
Kulay puti naman yun. Doon sa may...
Oh wait.
Ha?
There's a third one?
Ganyan. Naligo lang ako, Miss.
What am I supposed to do here?
Hindi.
Oh.
Dalawa yan sila ni Red.
I was so dumb.
Kuya. Pag naman mo uwi eh.
They're only 10 seconds. Yeah! Let's go. Now what do we have here? That is not right. Now what am I supposed to do? Oh!
Try na ikaw. Eat na ikaw.
Then we have to do that. Let's go!
Hindi kayo pumunta doon.
Now what am I
Open naman yun sa
supposed to
lahat.
do here?
Wala ka na yan.
You show Rob.
Bluebill. Doon di kayo sasayaw? Oo. Sa labas na sa Bluebill dyan. May ano. Kaya sarado ngayon ang swimming pool.
What am I supposed to do? So go next.
Tapos naman yun.
Hold
Okay
on.
naman yun. Kaya marami ka? Pareho lang naman yan sila ni Red. Akala mo kailan na mapaaga kanina si Red. At alam niya may practice sila. O hanggang ngayon wala pa rin. Practice lang yun.
Test it out.
Hindi kumain. Hindi pa umuwi kumain.
Now what does that do? Oh, so it do that. What is that? Oh, that. Gorilla panda.
Ano po tayo nag-isip na paigit na ako, ginisip pa ako. Mamaya pa, bago ako umalis magpapatak para malinaw-linaw pa.
I need to break this. Now where's the other battery? Where's the other battery?
Grade 10 ka ba? May tubig na.
Are you serious? Lightning?
Ba't mo practice pa?
Damn. Why did I just do that? I keep getting mad on here. Gorilla. Give me the pipes past the beam. Three, two, one, go. Obama. Obama. I'm a paper truck. I know trying to remember all of our bridges for now. Maybe I have to do that. That's number one. Oh my. Sweet God, my boy. Sweet kid over me. I never. Funny shit, funny shit, and but how am I gonna do that? Oh, wait a second. So if that terminates I think I have to do this. I wish we had a 20 grab capacity. I think I have to time this one. But that's so far away though. But when am I supposed to do them? Hold up a second. What am I literally supposed to do here?
Sa mga parents dyan na may anak na 18 to 22 years old na graduate ng senior high school, may nag-consider
Oh!
sila ng Philippine National Police Academy Entrance Examination o ang tinatawag natin PMPA or Philippine Military
I am stuck on this puzzle forever, dog.
para sa bayan. Libre po ito.
How can I be that blind?
Tara na dito sa The Garden by Diners.
There was a battery the whole time there.
Open sila from 4 p.m. to 2 a.m. They have 6 side
Barney
dishes
is a
and
dinosaur and he comes from mermaid.
bukod pa dyan, meron din silang
Then
auntie
when that switched up,
wherein you get
it connects there.
and shrimp.
Then
Pinakapaborito namin sa lahat yung rosemary flavor meat. And grabe yung shrimp. Kung mahilig ka sa seafood, talagang
Dance.
magugustuhan mo to dahil sobrang malinamnam. Solid din yung
I
chicken wings
wanna
nila.
dance, 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 dance. Fantastic baby dance. Woo! I wanna dance, 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 dance. Wow. Pass over the platform. I was supposed to get this battery and then grab this battery and then grab this another battery. Then I put the battery there and then where's there a damn barrel there? Get over here. Oh, come here. Dang. Don't leave me. Why did my battery just stay there? I am so dumb that I could just get in here. Bruh. That's good. That was a long puzzle for sure. For sure. What? Developers, what the frick is this? Y'all just did this for nothing? Are you kidding me? Mr. Developers are gonna make me cry, dog. Why can't I just go up here? How am I supposed to get there if... Oh. Is this where I came from? Okay, I don't know. Hoy! Stupid cat, that scared me. I will take you, catnap. I will get you, you cat. I will take you a cat a nap. I took the cat a nap. Find the flowers. Find the flowers. What the frick? No? What you mean? Am I dreaming? No. Oh, what the frick is that? What the frick is that rip-off catnap?
Bawal na sa iba, boy.
Go! Catnap is there. Miss the lights?
Bawal. Diba, sabi mo may gamot ka naman.
May tubig sa banyan, tanga lang.
Are you kidding me? Why? Why? Tell me why? Tell me why? No. I don't even know what's real. I'm a nerd. Huggy?
Ano pa naman ang nasa isip? Saan?
What the frick is this?
Oo, mag-gigo ka. Ano yung sa gigo?
Prototype.
Sabi nga hindi nga naman yun kaya
No.
Lagi naman sila kasi practice na ng graduation. Siray.
Alright.
Oo. Nagagawin ng grade 12. Saan daw siya makapasa?
Gas.
Kumuha siya
Oh
doon
my
sa
gosh,
exam
Catnap
sa may
took my freaking
munisipyo ng
gas
natin.
mask.
Saan doon?
Okay.
Sa Arena?
Bro, Catnap gave me a nap.
Oh, kumuha siya sa Indang.
Yeah, I'm going back.
Oo, kumuha siya sa Indang, sa Kabso. Marami sa kinukunan eh. May kumuha din siya sa Perpetual. Oo, sabi ko, sige, saan nga pwede.
Ito good.
Something's gone wrong. There's a report from the
Alis pala.
and plug it in underneath the statue. I'm ready to reach 100%. Good luck.
Papanagutin yung mga sinasabi mong saktong-sa at
Where's the cord?
hindi mo kayo parang ng harapan. Gusto mo online? Wala rin.
Andito nga siya eh.
Where's the cord?
Lalo pa naman titis
Oo,
na
alis na.
wala namang
Did I just hear something? Was it just me or was it just you guys? Look, bro. Look, bro. If, bro, if you didn't hear nothing, I swear I hear one. Beers be like, what the heck? From the front of a gun, all due to the path that we trod. We just wanted to hear, but now none is so real, and now we'll never wake up or return it. We want freedom, freedom,
Dapatin niya,
freedom.
labas na.
We trod. We just wanted to hear, but now none is so real, and now we'll never wake up or return.
Kaya wag mo
But
lagi
we want
patay, wag mo
freedom.
lagi talian.
Where's the cord? Oh. CG5 is in the game, bro.
Hindi namin dumala sa
Why CG5 is in the game, dog?
Oo, gawa na magpa-practice pa kami.
How the
It
fuck?
looks like we're a tiny bit short. I'm sending
Hawak ko ang
115.
brief.
How the fuck?
May hawak kaming brief. May hawak kaming brief.
To activate the skylight.
At the
Go back over there
side
and find the cord. Then we'll have enough power.
What do you mean cord?
May hawak kami, may mga hawak kami kanya-kanyang brief. Naku, sabi ko.
Sky
Mamaya
donkey?
natawanan na naman kami. Iiling-iling na naman si Santiago.
So I have to root power from the sky.
Bago naman yon.
What do you mean about that?
Eh kasi ano naman, sa bibili ako, bibili pa ba ako eh, mayroon naman
what's
sa
that?
bago na
Where am I
isang
supposed to?
box pa yun na
What?
may-
What
hindi
key is
ko
this again?
nabawasan.
Sky donkey?
Hiramin ko muna yung isa.
I guess I have to go back to
Hindi,
home.
ang kakainin mo lang.
I guess I have to go back to
May
home
mga
sweet.
chicken naman eh.
I guess I have to go back to the home sweet home because I search in Google. I
Diyos
have
ko,
to
ang
go
sa dami
back
ng
to
alalay
the.
mo, uupo ka lang doon,
Are you
lalatagan ka
sure,
na.
bro? I already got this one.
Pag hindi ka pupunta, magkakag na naman si
I
Nelia.
hear something. I heard a beep. I'm not hearing it. Oh, Discord.
Ang masama pa dyan,
Ah, the
yung
father
iba
for
pa naman na kay
from the father
Ambal,
for God.
pupunta pa
Oh,
daw.
to the path that we trod. We just wanted to hear, but now it's so real, and now never wake up for we told. But we want freedom, freedom,
Christmas party
freedom, freedom,
na.
freedom.
Christmas party
Oh,
niya yun.
now we sleep well, and we drink
Tapos
and
siksikan pa. Ay, ngayon hindi, may lamisa na Ray. Hindi ka makipagsiksikan, may lamisa na, kanya-kanya na tatayo doon na may lamisa.
Where did you get this thing?
May kiti rin, may lamisa kami, may mga lamisa bawat isang
Where did you?
grupo.
How did this even spawn? That cannot fit that small tube right now, bro.
Oo.
Hey, but I love CG5, bro. Hey, CG5. Is it just a little? Is it just? This is just what I'm gonna say to CG5. Hey, CG5. I just love the song that you made
Kasi sabi ni Billy,
for
may mga
for
senior, may
Poppy
mga
Playtime
lamisa na,
Chapter
yung
3.
mga
I love that
lamisa
song
na,
and I
yung
kept
mga
singing it
PBB,
over and again.
ano, PBB,
And I
may
hope
lamisa na,
and I
oo.
hope you have a great
Kasali
day,
naman kayo
CG5.
doon.
And I hope you stay safe. Ah, yeah, blah 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 blah
Kasama sila.
blah blah. Oh no. Hold up.
Saglit na kayo kumain.
I hope you stay safe, CG5, and I hope you post new songs. I hope you post new songs, and I will listen to them. And your videos and shorts are funny, and That's it. Thank you, CP5.
Pwede naman.
Get away, bro!
Hindi naman. Si Bilyan ang magluluto ngayon ng saksoy. Wala naman baboy yung saksoy ni Bilyan.
Halit mo tanggapin, galit pa sa sulong ng kaso dahil hindi naayos ang kalabasan ng investigasyon. Masalpi na talaga. Ang matindi pa, nanakot pa na magsasampa ng kaso laban sa tiyan.
Saksoy na lang. Sabi mo, ayan lang ang kakainin ko, damihan mo.
Sumitin effect pa ang masyado.
I hope this is coming through. There's no time to waste. Catnap is on his way. The room you're in used to be a sort of panic room. It's not what it used to be. It can't protect you. Learn how it works. Try putting the batteries in the different glowing spots.
Hindi na pagkat kinukuha siya kung anong pahina.
Oo, sa munggo.
20 nga daw ang basahin.
Glowing spots?
Nagkataon na bukod pala ang kopya ng affidavit ni Kutesa.
Baboy. Oo. Kasi si kuya mo, nagmumunggo. Paan ng manok.
Yata ni Senator Marcoleta na namatay TV coverage ng pagdinig. Kaya walang pakundangan at walang kahihiyan.
Nagbunggo ngayon ng Friday.
Kaya nga,
Nung Friday nagbunggo si kuya mo nung Friday. Ang ninalo niya paan ng manok.
at nagbigay ng hato sa post voluntaryo ni Kutesa. Mismo ang branch 18 ng Regional Trial Court ng Manila ang nag-imbestiga.
Isel, ang anak mo!
Sa halip na tanggapin, galit pa sa resulta ng kaso dahil hindi naayos
Tawag
sa
namin
kanyang
anak niya kasi
kalalabasan
lagi yan
ng
dito sa
investigasyon.
bahay.
Masalpi na talaga. Ang matindi pa,
Anak ni Los, nandyan sa pizza, nagtitinda.
What am I supposed to do? Oh, so this one blocks it.
Ano ba, parang kala mo lipante na madagong yung magdala. Sige.
Between the hallways, there's those two silence.
Pali-pali sila maglalakad.
Alright, I'm gonna end this for now.
20 nga daw ang basahin.
I will end this for now, and I hope you stay safe. I hope y'all, thanks for watching the video, and I hope y'all will be safe. And
Ay, hindi.
I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone, stay safe.